Health Bliss presents 10 ways to gain healthy weight for skinny people. Ever wondered why you can't lose weight while dieting or not having any motivation? Or why you can't find a way to sustainably stay lean while eating all the sugary or fatty foods that you love? You're not alone. As a clinical nutritionist, I have clients who struggle with weight maintenance because they keep thinking there's something wrong with their bodies and that it needs to be fixed. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with your body, and there are proven strategies you can use to. Number 1. Add healthy calories. You don't need to drastically change your diet. You can increase calories by adding nut or seed toppings, cheese, and healthy side dishes. Try almonds, sunflower seeds, fruit, or whole grain, wheat toast. Number 2. Go nutrient dense. Instead of eating empty calories and junk food, eat foods that are rich in nutrients. Consider high-protein meats, which can help you to build muscle. Also, choose nutritious carbohydrates, such as brown rice and other whole grains. This helps ensure your body is receiving as much nourishment as possible, even if you're dealing with a reduced appetite. Number 3. Snack away. Enjoy snacks that contain plenty of protein and healthy carbohydrates. Consider options like trail mix, protein bars or drinks, and crackers with hummus or peanut butter. Also, enjoy snacks that contain good fats, which are important for a healthy heart. Examples include nuts and avocados. Number 4. Eat mini meals. If you're struggling with a poor appetite, due to medical or emotional issues, eating large amounts of food may not seem appealing. Consider eating smaller meals throughout the day to increase your calorie intake. Number 5. Bulk up. While too much aerobic exercise will burn calories and work against your weight goal, strength training can help. This includes weightlifting or yoga. You gain weight by building muscle. Things to consider. People who are underweight typically are not getting enough calories to fuel their bodies. Often, they are also suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition means you are not taking in enough vitamins and minerals from your food. If you're underweight, you may be at risk for the following health issues. Delayed growth and development. This is especially true in children and teens, whose bodies need plenty of nutrients to grow and stay healthy. Fragile bones. A deficiency in vitamin D and calcium, along with low body weight, can lead to weak bones and osteoporosis. Weakened immune system. When you don't get enough nutrients, your body cannot store energy. This makes it difficult to fight illness. It may also be difficult for your immune system to recover after being sick. Anemia. This condition can be caused by not having enough of the vitamins iron, folate, and B12. This can cause dizziness, fatigue, and headaches. Fertility issues. In women, low body weight can lead to irregular periods, lack of periods, and infertility. Hair loss. Low body weight can cause hair to thin and fall out easily. It also can cause dry, thin skin and health issues with teeth and gums. And finally, here's questions to ask your doctor. How do I gain weight if I'm not hungry? Is being underweight more serious for babies? What are some affordable, healthy foods to help me gain weight? Should I stop exercising if I am underweight? Should I stop taking my prescription medicine if I am underweight? Thank you for watching.